writing inequalities from graphs, and graphing inequalities on a number line. The goal is I can graph solution sets of inequalities, and this is in Cornell notes. An inequality is a relationship between two expressions that are not equal. You would say not equal to, or give the symbol with the equation sign and a slash through it. Greater than is obviously the greater than sign, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Those are our symbols we're going to be using. This is a chart that will really simplify the idea of graphing. So if your sign is pointing to the right, greater than or equal to, up here, you're going to go to the right on the number line. You can kind of see that greater than sign makes an arrow going to the right. Less than or equal to, go to the left. That less than sign makes an arrow going to the left. All of these signs will have an open circle on the number line, and both of these signs will have a closed circle on the number line. Make sure the solution is in this form. You have your variable on the left side, your inequality sign, which again tells the direction if your constant is on the right. So your variable on the left and your constant on the right, that inequality sign will tell the direction that you graph. So we have a few examples. Write the inequality that represents the graph. First thing I notice is I have an open circle, so I know that x is guaranteed going to be greater than because it's pointing to the right. Open circle because it's not greater than or equal to. It's just strictly greater than 4. Done. So this one, x, open circle pointing to the left at -2. Closed circle pointing to the right at 6. Closed circle pointing to the left at 100. Done. So we have x is greater than 4, x is less than -2, x is greater than or equal to 6. Our next example is to draw the graphs that represent this example. I have an open circle at 7, pointing to the right. Done. Closed circle at -5, pointing to the left. Done. Closed circle at 13, pointing to the right. Done. Open circle, pointing to the left at -12. And that's the answer to that. So go back to your pathway to look for the questions to answer in your summary.